granddaughter was 8, I took her to watch the film Finding Dory. And she said, "Nanny, you're just like Dory, the fish with the short-term memory loss." And since then, she called me Nanny Dory. And I was up for an award for a person with dementia, helping people with dementia. And I came in the top 5 in the UK. And my friend said I should do something so I don't forget that day, because it was very special. I was at the Dementia UK Congress as well and spoke there. So went into a tattooist and I had Dory. A tattoo of Dory and my granddaughter, and since then I'm known as Dory. So when I forget who I am in later stages, I look at my leg and say, "Oh, Dory." So that's how I became to be known as Dory.